What are common mistakes students make in algebra homework? Have you ever wondered why some students struggle with algebra homework? It often comes down to a few common mistakes that can trip them up. Let's break down these errors so you can avoid them and improve your understanding of algebra. First, one big mistake is not dividing or multiplying the entire side of an equation. When students only apply these operations to part of the equation, it leads to incorrect answers. Always remember to treat both sides equally when making changes. Another frequent error is the incorrect use of the distributive property. For instance, if you have a factor outside parentheses, it should be multiplied by every term inside. If you forget to distribute, you might end up with something like 8x squared minus 10 instead of the correct 8x squared minus 40. Confusing addition and subtraction of like terms is also common. Students often add coefficients correctly but mistakenly add exponents. For example, 3x squared plus 4x squared should equal 7x squared, not 7x to the fourth power. Keep in mind that exponents are not added when combining terms. Misapplying exponent rules can cause confusion too. Some students mistakenly multiply the base by the exponent or add exponents when they should not. Remember, an exponent shows how many times to multiply the base by itself. Handling radicals and roots incorrectly is another area where students stumble. For example, taking the square root of each term separately is not valid. The square root of x plus 2 does not equal the square root of x plus the square root of 2. Always verify your answers by squaring them back. Ignoring the order of operations is a common pitfall. Following the correct sequence of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction, is essential. Skipping this can lead to wrong answers. Division by zero is a significant mistake that can lead to undefined results. Students sometimes simplify expressions without checking for restrictions. Always be cautious when dividing and ensure you are not dividing by zero. Lastly, watch out for parenthesis and sign errors. Losing or misplacing parentheses or overlooking negative signs can lead to incorrect expressions. Always double-check your work for these small but impactful mistakes. To avoid these common errors, take your time with each problem. Carefully apply algebraic rules and double-check each step. Practicing problems that reinforce these fundamental concepts will help you gain confidence. Understanding why each rule exists makes algebra more approachable and helps reduce mistakes. Slow and steady wins the race in algebra homework.